We got a code P0016. That's gonna be camshaft position, crankshaft position, camshaft position, correlation. Bank 1 sensor A. We got 2014 F-150 3.5 liter EcoBoost. You're gonna take your engine cover off here. Just pops right off, snaps right off. You gotta take your oil cap off to get that off. And then you can see back here we have our cam sensors. This is gonna be bank 1 on the passenger side, which is what we want. Sensor A. We've already confirmed that this sensor needs to be changed. That's your sensor B. All right, so we got an 8mm, which holds this in, the sensor. Already got it loosened up there. Set it right there. We got our new sensor. We'll lubricate that O-ring a little bit so it slides in easy. Just pop this clip off. Just give it a little press and pull backwards. And then we got our sensor here. We're gonna twist and work it out. You don't want to snap these off inside the engine. Just don't do that. And there's our sensor right there. So we're just gonna pop this new sensor in, bolt it down, and plug her in. Clear the codes.